good? It's your boy Mobile Key back at it again with another video. And in today's video, we're gonna be doing an oil change and front brake pad replacement on my boy DJ car. Gonna get him right. Got the caliper housing off. We're gonna just clean this up. Everybody got their own in the comments. Not too much. Just like that. Alright, so slides are both greased up. I went ahead and did it. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. And then we'll just push these in.
Been pretty much chopping off the oil change right now. Hey, read that hoe for me good. Fucking how I sound myself.